lovelies. Welcome back to the art room. Yay! I know we're all sitting in our seats and there's lots of stuff on the tables we want to touch, but thank you for having your hands away from it so we can talk about the things in the art room. And let's think about the fact that we haven't been in the art room in a year and a half. Some of you are new to the school and the art room is new to you. Some of you have been here before. Let's take a look around. What are we noticing as we look around? Yeah, I noticed too. Those curtains, they're back just like they were before. They're red, orange, yellow, blue, green, violet in our order of our color wheel. They're still there. Did you see where the primary color puffy, not the flat ones, but the puffy crayons are? Yeah, there they are, over there by the desk. They're right up there. And the flat ones? Yep, over there. On top of where the door is, on top of the door frame. There's lots of things. Did you notice I changed the bulletin board right there? It's all crayon portraits. It's like the crayons are in families. They're in family portraits. We have the primary color family, the warm color and the cool color, and tertiary colors, and monochromatic family. We'll learn a lot about that. Did you notice down below me, right there? Look at all those. Yeah, those paintings. Are they portraits? Yep, you're right, they are. We're going to do a lot of work with portraits. In fact, today we're going to make a portrait that doesn't have a face. We're going to make a self-portrait, a portrait about you, that's three-dimensional. I know. Let's talk about it. But let's first talk about some of the tools in the art room. There's buckets on your tables. They're sitting in the middle. And inside the buckets, there are pencils. Did you notice that my pencil is which way? With the graphite or the tip down. That keeps it nice and safe. I also have Mr. Glue in each one and a great big white eraser. Now I have to tell you a sad story. Some people took the pencil and drew on the eraser. Some people even poked the eraser with the pencil. Not you guys. You would never do that, I know. But let's remind ourselves, even though it looks like it might be a good idea, pencils are for drawing and writing, and erasers are for erasing. Thank you. I appreciate it. I know, you guys are awesome. But it did happen, I'm telling you. So let's talk again about the artwork today. I'm going to show you a picture. Now, you're going to recognize this picture. You know these. These are structures, and we've made structures before. But this time, our structures are very specific. Our structures are about us. Let me see if I can show you a special paper that talks about 3D Me. By the way, there's this perfect spot right at the top of this for you to put your name. And then there's a place for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different facts, all about you. So my hope is that as you think of a fact, you'll then add the color. See, what's a fact about me? Oh, I know. I have a pet cat named Blackjack. Now, I haven't done the colors yet, so we're going to just do our facts. The first thing we're going to do is our 8 facts. I need another fact. Oh, I know. I like to scuba dive. See, another fact. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Let's see about my favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Oh, I like vegetables. I love vegetables. That's a good fact about me. Let's see. What's another good fact about me? Oops. What's another good fact about me? I love art. That's a good fact. That's definitely. I've got 2 more that I need to do. Oh, I can wink. I can wink. That's a great fact. I can tie my shoes. I can tie my shoes. How's that? That's some great facts. Now, if I only have the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet to pick from, I have a cat named Blackjack. I think I'm going to make that one. I'm going to write on that line green. I think that color, I'm going to pick the color green. I like to scuba dive. I'm going to call that blue because the water is blue, and that scuba diving, that just reminds me of that. I have 2 brothers and sisters. Well, I love my brothers and sisters, so I'm going to make that one yellow. My favorite color is blue. Probably should make that blue, shouldn't I? Because it's about my favorite color. It's okay. I use blue over here, but that's okay. I love vegetables. Oh, that's got to be green. That's got to be green. Even though I used green before, vegetables are green. I love art. Oh, that's got to be orange. Orange is such a good art color. Well, they're all good art colors, I guess. And let's see. Let me see. I need another one. What? I can wink. Oh, winking should be purple maybe. What do you think? Let's try it. And let's see. Have I used red yet? No. Then I can tie my shoes is going to be red. Now I have a color for each of my facts. This is going to work out pretty well. I think I'm going to start with the red one. That I can tie my shoes. I have a red strip of paper, and I'm going to make that into an arch. I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to fold it. You know what? I think I need to look at a piece of artwork again to get my inspiration. So I think I'm going to look again. Oh, they did do arches. And they did swirlies. Let's talk about how I did those. I know that if I have a piece of paper, I just glue it down. It's not going to work very well. But if I make a foot on my paper, it gives me something to glue on. So I can make a foot, and I can glue it down. I know if I roll it, if I take a piece of paper and I roll it, roll, it makes a squirrely one. We can do this. We surely can. We can do this. Now, but I need some ideas. I need help with ideas. So I think what I'm going to do is have this. We're going to leave this up for you to look at. And it shows all these different ideas and what you can do to create. My lovelies, it was great being able to share the art room with you. I can't wait till next time, and I'll be in the art room with you. Have a great time making the 3D me. It's going to be wonderful. I believe someone might take some pictures so that I can see what it looks like. Great job. See you next time.